Get excited about the 2010 Toyota Corolla. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include front bucket seats, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and more. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.